Hello friends, our today's question is question number 1716, which is calculate money in Leetcode bank. So now let's read the question. So we have Hershey name here. Hershey wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode bank every day. So he wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode bank every day. It starts by adding $1 on Monday, the first day. Every day from Tuesday to Sunday, he will put $1 more than the day before. So if Monday he put $1, so Tuesday it will be $2, then Wednesday it will be $3. So every day the $1 will be more than the previous day. On every subsequent Monday, he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday. So, for example, this Monday he put $1. So next Monday he will put $2, and the other next Monday he will put $3. So this will continue. So we are given n. So we need to return the total amount of money he will save in the Leetcode bank at the end of the nth day. So we have given an integer n. We need to return the total amount of money he will have in the Leetcode bank at the end of the nth day. So let's say our n equals to 4. So after the fourth day, the total should be on Monday 4, then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 which is 10. Now again we have 10 here. So it will be after the 10th day. The total is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which would be 37. Why here 2 plus 3 plus 4? Because we are given condition that 1 till 7 it will be incrementing like normal, but the other Monday will come, so it will be more than the previous Monday. It will again start from 1 only, but it will be more than $1 more than the previous Monday. So on the second Monday, Hershey only will put $2. 9 equals to 20. It will be again 1 till 7, then 2 till 8, then again this Monday is here, third Monday, so third Monday will be $3. So 3 till 8, which is 96. So how we will approach this question? Let's see. So first we will take a total variable, because we need to return total at last, total money. So total will be equal to 0. Then we will take a my balance variable, which would be like a money storing variable. So it would be initialized to not 0, it will be initialized to 1, because it will start from 1 only, because the first amount will be equal to 1. Now we will run a loop which will start from 1 and will go up to uh, like this n, because we are given integer n, input n. So 1 till n, and what will it check the condition? It will do increment of total, which would be equal to the first amount, which is my bell. So the first amount will be equal to my bell, the initial amount, the very first amount. For example, n equal to, for every n, the first amount would be my bell. Now how we will calculate, like 1 till 7 it should be normal, but when 8 comes, when I equals to 8 should come, so it will increment 2, not 8. It should increment 2, because there is other second Monday. The first Monday was 1, the second Monday should be equal to 2. Now the third Monday should be equal to 3. So this should continue. So how we will approach this? So to approach this, I will add this I minus 1 and percentage 7. So how this expression is calculating the second Monday should be at second. So let's take n equals to 4. Oh no, not n equals to 4. We will take n equals to 10. Now let's take n equal to 10 here. So what our algorithm is saying, for n equals to 10, we have total equal to 0, my bell equal to 1, and for all will run from 1 till 10. So the first item is total will be equal to here. Now let's take for I equals to 1. So for I equals to 1, we have this expression is a 0 and my bell is 1. So total here now is 1. Now for I equals to 2, we have here 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 divided by 7 is nothing, which is 0 only. So again 1, which is 1 only. So total will be equal to 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. And now let's take for I equals to 3. So 3 minus 1, which is also 2, which is divided by 7 is 2 only. 1 was previous, so 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So now here for I equals to 3, we have total equals to 3. So this will continue till I equals to 7. Here 7 minus 1, which will be 6, so 6 plus 1 will be equal to 7, so total will be equal to 7. So now we have reached I equals to 8. Now for I equals to 8, we will the my value will be 1 here, and this expression, which is 8 minus 1, which will be 7, 7 divided by 7, which will be equal to 1. So we have 1 here, because we have used a remainder concept, because when the number will be greater than or equal to 7, it will give the output greater than or equal to 1. So that's why we have checked this expression, and here it will be equal to 2. So on 8th day, like it is second Monday, so Hersey will put $2. Now I equals to 9, it will be 3, and will continue, and I equals to 10, it will be 4. So our iterations are done. So this was the algorithm and the main concept, which is I minus 1 divided by 7. Now let's do the code. Now we need first a total variable, which will be initialized to 0, and my bell for initial count, the first balance will be minus 1 only. Now the for loop, which will start from 1 and will go up to n, incrementing the I. Now we will check here, we will increment the total here with my bell, and the main expression, which is I minus 1, checking the remainder by dividing with 7. And if the other condition I is divisible by 7, so what we will do, if I is divisible by 7, we will increment the my bell. So to increase the like on Monday it would be 2, it should be equal to 2. So if I is divisible by 7, I is equal to 7 comes here, like 7, 14, 21. So if 7 came here, so it will be 7 minus 7, 6 divided by 7. So 6 divided by 7, which will be equal to 1 only. So for this 1 plus 1, which 1 plus 6, which will not be equal. So we should increment the my bell here, and at last we will return the total. Now let's test and run this. Okay, internet is slow, that's why it is taking time. Okay, it is saying some error. Okay, we need to put here I forgot to put here I. Now let's test it. Okay, all the 3 test cases are passed here. Now let's submit and check the results. Okay, it is accepted and all the test cases are passed. For some reason this okay, so all the test cases 106 are passed. Runtime is 0 millisecond and bits are 100%. Memory is here is 7.94 MB and bits are 15.87%. And this was the solution of this question. Thank you.